Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Quad Boss Lee, and today we are starting the video off in the truck because we gotta head over to an undisclosed location because you guys know by the title of this video, we're gonna go rip some RC cars. So they are actually true RC cars. I don't know what exactly they are. I have a coworker I'm gonna go meet up and we're going to rip the RCs. So without further ado, enjoy the montage and I will catch you guys at the location.
If I could take you up and tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Plans would come true. And my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life. Ding dong, ding dong, ding
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are at the disclosed location in the middle of absolutely nowhere. We got my boy Brian over here. He's buggy started. We got the big buggy. We got the body over there. And then right now, what you doing right now, Brian?
4-cell battery right here, Mitch.
So we're gonna stick that in the buggy.
We're gonna stick this in our short course. There's our short course. We got our buggy here.
Yep.
This is a Mojave Arma. Check it out. I don't know, 1/6 scale. This thing's a monster. You run a 6-cell, but we got 4 right here because it's almost out of control.
Sounds like it's gonna be fun. So we're gonna hook this battery up and we will catch you guys on the course.
Yes.
Alrighty, so we got the little buggy starting. Brian's getting her all warmed up, ready to roll. These things are a beast, man. Golly, that thing's so fast. Alrighty guys, so I think Brian successfully got me in the RCs now. Thank you, Brian.
You gotta take more pictures, Mitch.
Oh, I know. We'll get there. Yeah, I ripped both. He let me rip the buggy and the bigger one. And this thing, man, this thing just kicks ass.
It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life is but a dream. It's what you make it. Always.
Ow!
Try to give. Don't ever take it. Life is but a dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life is but a dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life has its music. Life has its song. Life has its music. Life has its song. Life has its music. Life has its songs of love.
Broken.
Yeah, we broke the big boy. She won't run anymore.
Ain't gonna start up.
No, we switched batteries and it won't start up. The little buggy,
She's running, but she's having a tough time too.
yeah, her rear axle's not doing so well. She's a little tight on the rear axle, but
Yeah, look at that.
guess what, Brian? That just leaves us what, one more car?
That's it. Mitch, one more ride. Let's see what happens.
Well, one more
The
car.
fastest one.
Yep, we're gonna move to the street now. Oh, Brian, we made it to the street, boy. What are we gonna do now?
Look.
You're gonna run the street car now?
6. Yeah. Mitch, look, 6 cells. Some love right there.
We're gonna run the
2
6L.
fans. Oh yeah.
We're gonna run the 6L down the straightaway.
Okay.
We're gonna, yes, sir. We're gonna put the body on and we're gonna roll.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think a tall angel just walked by. 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 There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight.
How was today, man? Hey, we still have the streetcar runs.
It does run.
It runs. The bumper took a little bit of a hit.
Crazy right here. Look.
The bumper took a little bit of a hit, but
Still running.
But she's still running. The little buggy, she's got a tight rear axle.
Got a tight rear axle, and that we don't know.
And
yet.
the big one we don't know yet, but yeah, she's got. We think one of the bearings went out on that one, but the streetcar still runs. Just a little cosmetic issues, but
we're good there.
Other than
Good job,
that,
Mitch, I'm proud of you.
Other than that, how was the day, Brian?
It was not bad driving. See?
Yeah, hey, my first time driving an RC, guys. I can't complain. It's been fun.
Oh, fucking awesome.
Right now, Brian's gonna take me to a store because we're gonna go look at some goodies. Won't buy anything, but we're just gonna go take a look. So we'll catch you guys at the store. Brian, what you think?
It was a lovely day hanging out with you. That was some good driving today, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Alrighty, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace out, Brian.
Later, bye, guys.